Well, good morning, everybody. It's Friday. We're going to, if you watched some of our last videos or some of the shorts that we posted, you'll see we did a clearing job in which we were chipping. And while we started chipping that first pile of brush, we had a clog. The blades wouldn't blow it up into the chute, and we had to stop and we had to clean it all up. Well, what we're going to do today is I'm going to show you some of that, as well as we're going to sharpen the blades. This part blocked up on us the last time we were on that job. You look back at the videos and you can see it. So what we're going to do today is we're going to pull this pin. I already pulled the safety that goes on this side here. We're going to pull this out. I'm going to lift this up. And then we're going to put this in the safety holder here. Can you see that? Put that in the safety holder here. And what that does, if I can get up without jamming myself, is it prevents this from spinning. Okay, now what we're going to do today is, you can see the blades, they're double-sided here, and they're attached by 3 Allen keys. Normally what you can do is, when you get the new blades, they're sharp on both sides. You use it, gets dull, you flip it in the field while you're working, and you can utilize the second cutter blade. Well, we've done that, and we're at the point now where she needs a little bit of sharpening. So we're going to pull these off, take them in the shop, sharpen them up, grease the machine a little, clean up some of this other debris. And just so you know, the safety is in, battery's disconnected, it can't start. And she's old, but she's useful. So let's do a little bit of a look around on this thing. This is the chute here. And it'll take a good, I don't know, it's got some garbage in it. Yeah. It'd take 2-inch log, maybe a little bit more than that. But hey, listen, anything over a 2-inch log, you're probably burning anyway. You'd probably be burning a 2-inch log. And you got your forward and reverse. I always keep it in reverse till I'm using it. So there's your forward. It'll suck it all in. And there's your reverse, in case something goes horribly wrong. Job prior to that, we were working in a community, and I blew one of the hydraulic hoses. This is the hydraulic hose we replaced. I believe that's 3/8. Yes, 3/8 it is. It's very simple. Motor turns a pulley, turns a fan belt, turns this counterclockwise, choose the brush, and on the other side here, there's fins. Fins push everything up the chute into the truck. Bob's your uncle. What happened the last time is we ran out of fuel on the job, and when I stopped it, there was still stuff going through the hopper. So any chips that come in when you stop this are stuck on the bottom. If it's dull and it's throwing, if you can visualize it, throwing the stuff up the chute, and the chute gets clogged, that barrel is filling up with debris, and it's forcing it. I mean, it's pretty strong, and it's forcing it up there. You stop it, that stuff falls back. And when you go to start the engine, it's like someone actually putting that safety pin in. It's not allowing it to turn to get started. So you have to open it, clear everything out, and then start it back up again. And that's where we were. 15 minutes, everything was back up in order again. So without further ado, let's get ourselves an Allen key, start pulling these blades off, and get them sharp. 3/4. This is what the blades look like. I'm going to be sharpening them up. Doing both sides. What happened was I sharpened both sides, put them on. Last season went through these. This season went through these. Now it's time to sharpen them back both. Sharpen them both back up. Put them back on, and ready to do a little bit more chipping. Okay, so I got them all sharp. Now it's just a matter of putting them all back in again. Okay. So one of them's a sharp blade, one of them's a short long blade. I want the long blade this way. Boom, done. Okay. This closes up. Safety pin. And in case anybody's wondering, this sophisticated piece of equipment right here is designed to keep the water out. It's called my purified water plug. And it looks like we're all set. And that pretty much should wrap up the Mighty Bandit. So I hope you liked the video. Hope it was a little bit informative. If anybody's got one of these old machines out here, needs to sharpen up those blades. That's pretty much how you do it. It's simple. Just remember all your safety instructions. Make sure everything's disconnected. Don't go sticking your hands inside there. And remember, this is just a little bit informative. This is not a training video. Until we meet again, like, share, subscribe. It's free. And comment. We'll see you soon.